And that's exactly what we are going to get you details of next, because the Election Commission has revised the COVID protocols for the remaining election phases in West Bengal. This comes after the ECI observed gross violation of COVID guidelines throughout the election campaigning in the state. The guidelines were revised following an all-party meeting that was held on Friday, bringing you a detailed report.
The Election Commission revised the guidelines for election campaigns given the rise in COVID-19 cases. The EC has directed that starting 7 p.m. on Friday, rallies, public meetings, street plays, nukkad sabhas, bike rallies or any gatherings for campaigning between 7 p.m. and 10 a.m. will not be allowed. The silence period for the same has also been extended from 48 hours to 72 hours for the remaining 3 phases of the elections in West Bengal. The decision comes following an all-party meeting with the Election Commission in poll-bound Bengal, wherein the TMC demanded that the remaining elections be held in one go, citing a surge in COVID cases.
Our stance has been very clear. Health first, safety of citizens first, politics later. That is why today Mr. Subrata Bakshi and Mr. Partho Chatterjee were at the EC. Before that, we had made requests. We wanted all the 3 phases to be clubbed into one phase.
However, no change in the Election Commission's stand on the matter left the TMC miffed.
सिर्फ सजेशन था उनका, ये कंसल्टेटिव मीटिंग था, ये तो निर्णय करने का मीटिंग नहीं था। तो उस मीटिंग में उन्होंने
कोरोना के नियमों का पालन करने के लिए चुनाव आयोग ने पहले से बोला, तो आज की मीटिंग से क्या समझ में है?
आज का मीटिंग में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है, उनको लोग सजेशन दिया है। अब जो सजेशन उन्होंने, चुनाव आयोग की बात है, चुनाव आयोग जो हम लोग को निर्देश देंगे हम लोग पालन करेंगे। हम लोग अश्योर किया है फुल कोऑपरेशन टू ऑल ऑफ देम।
Meanwhile, all parties have agreed to the newly introduced COVID protocols, which the EC observed comes following repeated violations of social distancing and other COVID norms by star campaigners and candidates. The other 3 election phases in West Bengal are scheduled for 22nd, 26th and 29th April. Bureau Report, Republic TV.